Hey folks, here's a quick video what you're supposed to do today. So I had um, compiled important stuff out of 5.1 to 5.5 on Friday. You're gonna have a little quiz over that, either Thursday or Friday. I don't know if I have to move stuff around because of this snow day. And this is for cohort A. Cohort B, you're good. So you're already virtual, so you probably won't watch this video. So anyway, you have your notebook that you should be recording your stuff in from Code High School when you watch the notes. This is a slide set for everything you should have picked up from 5.1 to 5.5 on writing classes. So, go through it, write down all sorts of stuff. This is something I meant to share earlier. Every class can be made with a UML diagram where you say the class name, your instance variables, and your methods. It's a pretty typical thing to do. It's a nice way to organize classes. It'll help us out when we do the Zoo project later. So go through here. I have it labeled 5.2 stuff with your getters and all sorts of good stuff. And if there's a question like which line of codes cause the error, try it out. You should be able to figure those out. A lot of times I will, right here, it'll say, right the beginning of the book class. Here it is. There's the UML thing. So go through and soak it all in, update your notes, and that should be it for today. And then tomorrow, we're going to come in and do a free response question on writing classes and methods and stuff. So, because we need practice with that. It's like question 2 on the AP exam. All right, so hopefully, it's clear what you need to do today, and it shouldn't be too hard for you because this stuff is kind of familiar at this point. We're gonna have a quiz over the beginning chunk, and then we'll have a test next week over the rest of Unit 5, which we're kind of cruising through with our Code High School stuff. All right. Okay, I will talk to you later. Adios.